Hey, we're out at Overland Expo East right now. I'm gonna show you the Apex Overland booth. Of course, we got the old trusty steed, the Apex Overland 4Runner. Booth set up here. Guys are working the booth. We are the Blue Ridge Overland dealer here, so come by and get the Blue Ridge Overland stuff. Tons of stuff in stock. We got 2 full walls of all the Blue Ridge stuff, plus a lot more in the trailer. So there you go. Quick, simple setup of just some stuff, recovery gear, quick grab stuff like that. Doing a sale on Rhino Rack awnings. Can't tell you how cheap they are. You have to come get them while supplies last. And of course, we got our traditional swag.
Okay, cool. All right.
Of course, we got the dogs. Pretty sure mine's in here. He's in the trailer, hanging out. Good boy. All right, that's it. Quick, down, dirty.